Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Jama B. Garcia. I live in Quezon City, Philippines. I'm 25 years old and I was born on September 15, 1998. I'm a single parent and have a son who is 8 years old. I'm a high school graduate. I work as a massage therapist and cashier in fast food chain. Currently, I'm working as an enumerator in Quezon City government. The reason why I want to work abroad because I want to give a good future for my son to support his study. And I want to support my father financially because he's already living alone. I know that I don't have experience working as a DH abroad, but I have experience of taking care of children, which is my son. And I can assure you as well that you can rely on me upon inside your house. And my characteristic is being honest, hardworking, and trustworthy. Have a good day. Thank you and God bless.